Today, we'll guide you through how to disassemble the armrest of the Osaki Platinum Flagship Duo. Let's get started. Remove the 4 screws from the rear cover, then take off the cover. Pry opens the upper cover from beneath the buckle. Remove the 4 screws from the upper inner cover. Remove the 2 screws from the front end of the armrest. Remove the 7 screws from the inner cover of the armrest. Remove the 2 screws from the front end of the armrest. Remove both outer side panels. Remove 14 screws on each side. Cut the blue tie and unplug the connector. Remove the screw to detach the upper inner cover. Remove the upper head panel. We hope this guide helps you enjoy your massage experience. Thanks for watching.